In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add due dates to stories in Jira. This is a fantastic way to keep your projects organized and ensure that everything stays on track. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or someone who's just getting started, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Jira homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all of your projects and the tasks associated with them. Once you're there, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and click on Projects. From the drop-down list, choose the specific project that you wish to work with. This step is crucial because each project may have different settings and boards, and you want to ensure you're working within the right context. Once you've selected your project, your next move is to click on Board. This will take you to the visual representation of your project's progress, where you can see all your stories and tasks are laid out. Navigating to this board allows you to have a clearer view of where the particular story you want to edit is located. Now you need to find the specific story to which you want to add a due date. Stories in Jira often represent certain tasks or pieces of work that need to be completed, and assigning due dates can help you manage timetables effectively. Once you've located your story, look toward the top right corner and find the horizontal 3 dots icon. Clicking on this will open a menu where you'll then select Configure. After entering the configuration settings, focus your attention on the right panel, specifically the field section. Here you'll search for the due date field. This is vital because this is where you'll be specifying the deadline for your story. When you have found the due date field, it's time to bring it into action. Simply drag and drop this field onto your chosen story. This process is intuitive and ensures that the field gets added directly to the story without much hassle. This setup allows for easy tracking of deadlines and fosters better time management within your team. Finally, after you've made all these adjustments, don't forget the last yet crucial step. Click Save Changes. This action will ensure all your modifications are stored and will reflect within your project's dashboard. It's a small but critical step to wrap up the process. And there you have it, you've successfully added a due date to a story in Jira. It's an effective way to enhance project tracking and ensure everyone stays on schedule. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials.